This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Ron Pletcher. This lovely, move-in ready home is situated in popular Park Square. This maintenance-free neighborhood boasts common areas including a pond, gazebo and benches. Current owner has made over $30,000 in improvements, making this property better than new. Improvements include a new concrete patio with decorative black fencing, custom blinds, new premium carpet, new stainless steel appliances in kitchen, new furnace, new air conditioner, and a completely remodeled hall bath. The open concept design with vaulted ceiling and great room is perfect for both everyday living and for entertaining. The kitchen has a tile floor, new appliances, an island with breakfast bar, a good amount of counter space and plenty of cabinets for storage. The separate laundry room has storage cabinets and is plumbed for a utility sink. The great room includes the dining area and the living area with vaulted ceiling fan, large windows bringing in natural light, and an electric fireplace bordered with built-in shelves. The primary bedroom offers a walk-in closet, an ensuite bath with a double vanity, and a large linen closet. The second bedroom is served by the newly renovated hall bath. The office/den has glass patio door opening onto the new patio, which is an ideal spot to spend time outdoors grilling or just sipping coffee and relaxing. Additional storage can be found in the two-car garage. You will not want to